Nowadays, Wi-Fi is a big deal at RV parks and while RVing. So especially a lot of the kids that we bring nowadays when we go camping, even a lot of adults, they want Wi-Fi, especially people that work from their RV. So one of the features to look for when you're going camping is, what's the Wi-Fi ability of the campground? Do they have Wi-Fi? Some of them even have Ethernet cords or internet cords that you hook up your RV to. Some RVs now have boosters, Wi-Fi boosters. Does your RV have a Wi-Fi booster? So even if there's a weak signal coming from maybe the campground office, can you boost that and get Wi-Fi in your RV? But it's a feature that we really need to consider when going RVing for the first time. How much internet usage do we plan on having? What sort of Wi-Fi do we need? Does that campground have the Wi-Fi that we want? And does our RV have some extra features that can help out with Wi-Fi? And if the answer is you really need Wi-Fi and you're not sure about the campground, there's even aftermarket products that can give you additional cell signals that turn them into Wi-Fi so you can have connectivity everywhere you go across the United States.